In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Chicago. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to enter, and how to confirm your payment without any confusion. Start by heading to the official City of Chicago website and navigating to the ticket payment page. Stick to the official site to protect your information and avoid unnecessary fees. It helps to have your citation handy and a payment card ready before you begin. Once you're on the payment page, look up your ticket. You can search using your ticket or citation number, your license plate number, or in some cases, your driver's license number. Type the information exactly as it appears on your notice. Be mindful of zeros versus the letter O, and include any letters on your plate. After you submit, the system will locate your record and display your ticket details. Take a moment to review everything on the screen carefully. You should see the type of violation, the total fine, the due date, and the available options to pay or contest. Confirm that the vehicle information, location, and date match what you expect. This quick review helps you avoid paying the wrong ticket or missing something important. Keep an eye on the due date to prevent late penalties. Now decide how you want to proceed. Paying the ticket means you're accepting responsibility, and it's the fastest way to close the case. If you believe the ticket was issued in error, or you have evidence to support your position, you can choose to contest and request a hearing instead of paying right away. In many situations in Illinois, you may also see an option for a payment plan. If it appears, that means you can spread out what you owe, which can be helpful if you need extra time. If you choose to pay online, enter your debit or credit card details exactly as they appear, including the billing zip code. Submit your payment through the secure checkout. Most payments process instantly and update your case status right away. Avoid refreshing your browser during processing to prevent duplicate charges, and give it a moment if the confirmation takes a few seconds to load. Finally, save your confirmation, download or screenshot the receipt, and store it somewhere easy to find. Keep the confirmation number, amount paid, and the date and time. That record is your proof if any questions come up later. And that's all there is to it. Go to the official site, look up your ticket, review the details, choose to pay or contest, complete payment online, and save your confirmation. If your ticket doesn't appear or the site is down, try again later or use the contact information on the payment page for help. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your online payment.